Welcome to Slow English Adventures! Let's learn together!
Aunt Emma, what is that?
That is a bee.
Why do bees visit flowers?
They collect sweet nectar.
Nectar?
Nectar? Yes. It is sweet juice from flowers.
Where do bees take the nectar?
They take it home.
Home?
Their home is the beehive.
How is honey made?
The bees make honey inside the hive.
Wow!
Honey is sweet.
Can we eat it?
Yes, just a little.
Thank you, Aunt Emma. Now I know where honey comes from.
You're welcome. Keep loving nature.
See you next time!
Great job! See you in the next adventure!